Hey guys, are you looking for some cool ideas on what to do this weekend?
Well, congratulations.
You came to the right place.
Woohoo! Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, April 21st, and you know what that means. It's a
Funky
Fresh
Friday
here at
Academy Mortgage.
Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John, guys.
And we are here to tell you about some fun things happening this weekend.
Well, Rob, what do we got going on first?
Well, I'll tell you, John. First, we want to start off by wishing everybody a happy National Chocolate Covered Cashews Day. That's right, National Chocolate Covered Cashews Day is reserved each year on April 21st. Not unlike other nuts, cashews and chocolate get along really well together.
Oh yeah.
And of course, chocolate lovers savor the combination of the nutty crunch and creamy, rich chocolate.
Ooh, delicious. Surprisingly, the cashew nut shells actually are toxic. So the producers shell the cashews before selling it to consumers. Get that out of the way.
Perfect.
While many people enjoy the cashew nut for its delicious buttery flavor on its own, adding chocolate actually makes it even more enjoyable. It actually makes a great gift during winter holidays. However, people enjoy chocolate-covered cashews all year long. I know I do, actually.
You know, John, no surprise that Chocolate Covered Cashew Day comes one day after National 420 Day.
Ah, interesting. Munchies?
All right, just who knows? Who knows?
What's up next, Rob?
John, how about some junk in the trunk? You want some junk in the trunk? There it is, right there, everybody. So with a reputation for featuring quality vendors, selling one-of-a-kind items and inspiring design,
Oh yeah.
Junk in the Trunk Vintage Market is a popular attraction for shopping enthusiasts across the Southwest. Attendees can shop all things vintage, local, and handmade in a space of over 120,000 square feet. Holy huge! And it's filled with 160 plus small vendors, all offering a vast selection of clothing, jewelry, furniture, vintage decor, and so much more.
And that looks like a lot of junk in the trunk there.
That is a lot.
And of course, Junk in the Trunk Vintage Market will be held April 21st, 22nd, and 23rd at Westworld, which of course is at 16601 North Pima Road in Scottsdale. Tickets are available from $8 all the way up to $60, available for purchase online. And what's up next, Rob? What do you got going on?
John, we've got a nice little deal here. We've got the Water Lantern Festival. So the Water Lantern Festival is a floating lantern event that's all about connections, right? So magical nights include food, games, activities, vendors, music, and the beauty of thousands of lanterns adorned with letters of love, hope, special messages, and dreams, all reflected upon the water.
So watch all those hopes and dreams float in the beautiful water drifting. And that's going to be April 22nd, Surprise Community Park, 16089 North Bullard Avenue, Surprise. Tickets are actually $26.98 all the way to $55.99. Children under 7 actually are free too, or use coupon code Let's Go for a $5 discount at checkout online.
And your price of admission does cover cleanup as well.
That's cool.
So no litter in there. So
Absolutely.
Nice. Very, very nice.
Rob, what do you got going next?
Well, who doesn't like to take a walk? Who doesn't like to drink some wine? Let's combine them both and let's go to the Urban Wine Walk. Now, this is hosted by Downtown Phoenix Inc. Urban Wine. So Urban Wine Walk is a self-guided wine walk. And of course, maps will be provided at each wine walk location. So each location will offer a $5 wine sample accompanied by a complimentary snack while supplies last, right? So it starts off at 12:30 with a kickoff event with live music from Alexis Janae, and you have a chance to purchase an exclusive Wine Walk screen printed t-shirt by artist Quinn Murphy of Hamster Laboratories. Then at 12:45, if you're one of the first 250 people, you will get a chance to receive a commemorative wine tumbler, which somebody grab me a tumbler, will you? At 1 o'clock is when the wine walk begins, and if you've made it, at 5 o'clock is when it ends until next year. So
yeah, 5 o'clock's more of a stagger walk, but it's walking still.
Still walking.
And of course, that's going to be April 22nd from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Excellent. Downtown
Phoenix, and that's of course 1 East Washington Street, Suite 230. Phoenix, Arizona, of course. Tickets are simply $25. Know before you go.
Here's some good tips.
Self-guided. When you start, basically you start wherever you went.
Wherever.
Bring cash for samples. Tips, of course. Also, don't forget sunscreen, good walking shoes. Please don't drink and drive. That means there are bikes and scooters, of course, are included in that. Don't use those.
Don't do it.
Rideshare will be available with Waymo, or take the light rail. Light rail is actually kind of cool.
Waymo's kind of fun. It's just about the same as if
like somebody driving with nobody driving though. It's crazy.
Nobody's driving. I don't know.
I'll take the light rail just in case.
I don't know.
Let's see some cool people in there.
Definitely get to see some flavor in it.
Rob, what do we got going next?
Well, I'll tell you what. We've got family-friendly improv comedy. So this Saturday at the Unscrewed Theater in Tucson, they are paying an homage because it is Mr. William Shakespeare's birthday, and they're going to celebrate it with some joyous cheer.
So that's cool.
So it is a family-friendly show fit for all,
where mirth and wit shall surely enthrall.
With Shakespeare's words and games to play,
we'll celebrate in a hilarious way.
Bring all your kin, both young and old,
for merriment and laughter untold.
Come one, come all, to revel in delight,
as we honor Billy Shakespeare on this special night.
And if you guys want to double the laughs, stay and see the uncensored 9 p.m. show as well.
That's the one to see right there.
Oh yeah.
And that's of course going to be Saturday the 22nd from 7:30 p.m. at the Unscrewed Theater, which is 4500 East Speedway Boulevard in Tucson. In-person tickets are $5 for kiddos, $8 for the adults. Live stream passes also for $8 per household, not a bad deal. And of course, buying a laughing pass, and adults can actually see both shows for a measly $10, which is nothing. And adults are only obviously for the second half.
You know, and what a great thing that not everybody can make it out, so they've got it set up to where you can buy the online pass and you can watch it simulcast at home. So I think that's a great fun. That's a great thing. And John, as loan officers, we are always thrilled to share some exciting news with some people. And, and there's been newly introduced LLPA pricing sheet that comes with a host of benefits for all of our customers. So we'd like to tell you about it.
Well, first of all, what is LLPA pricing? It stands for Loan Level Pricing Adjustment. It's essentially a way that lenders price risk of a loan through obviously Fannie and Freddie Mae loans, FHA, whatnot. Simpler terms, it's actually a way that Fannie and Freddie adjust the interest rates and fees on a loan based on factors like credit score, loan to value ratio, and other risk factors as well.
Sounds like some good stuff. Now on to the even better stuff. The new LLPA pricing system offers a number of benefits to our customers. For starters, it allows us to offer more competitive rates and fees, which can ultimately save you money on your mortgage, right? But additionally, it allows us to offer more flexible loan options, including lower down payment requirements and even higher loan to value ratios.
Yeah, in fact, they prefer those, believe it or not, with the new LLPAs. But perhaps the biggest benefit of the new LLPA's pricing system is that it actually allows us to be more inclusive in our lending options. By pricing loans better on risk factors rather than relying solely on credit, we're actually able to offer loans at a wider range of customers, including those who may have been turned down by other lenders in the past, now can actually qualify with less fees.
Well, I'll tell you, it's terrific. So overall, the new LLPA pricing system is a win-win for everybody involved. It allows us to offer more competitive rates and fees. It allows us to offer more flexible loan options, and it allows us to offer more inclusive lending options. So if you're in the market for a mortgage, I highly encourage you to reach out to us and learn more about this exciting LLPA pricing and how it can benefit you guys. We are very excited to hear from you.
And absolutely, it's time to get you pre-approved and ready to go house shopping. So give me a call, John, at 480-251-1152, or call
Rob at 520-240-2189, and we will be happy to go through all of your new home mortgage options and questions.
Absolutely.
And remember, guys, at Academy Mortgage,
no loan is too big
and no loan is too small.
And when it comes to home loans,
guys, we can handle them all.
You know, guys, our best source of business comes from you and your referrals.
It sure does, John. So we always like to take an extra minute and say thank you to everyone for their trust in referring us to their friends, their family, and anyone they know that are needing home loans or just have home loan questions.
And again, your referrals are the key to our success. So again, thank you so much for helping us spread that word. Thank you again.
Guys, appreciate it. Really appreciate it. And we also appreciate you guys tuning in.
Absolutely.
And remember, guys, I'm Rob.
And I'm John over here.
And we hope that you all have a
funky,
fresh
Friday.
All right, guys.
Remember, don't forget, click like, follow, and share below.
Guys, get out there this weekend. Be safe. Make someone's day.
Absolutely.
See you next week.
Have a great weekend.